Lumi is the world's first truly smart way to practice keyboard technique and build musical skills. And that's not all. Lumi Keys is also the most advanced portable MIDI controller ever made. Lumi Keys lets you perform or produce anywhere. Its keys are built to DS5.5 size, much bigger than mini keys, which makes Lumi perfect for playing live. Lumi Keys has the best action of any portable keyboard and provides polyphonic aftertouch. And thanks to BrightKey technology, Lumi Keys looks great and provides unparalleled visibility for stage. Deep integration with Roly Studio Player means you can light up the chords, scales, or arpeggiated sequences you need to build your track. Lumi Keys is bundled with over 100 premium sounds. Or, to make music on the go, pair Lumi Keys with Roly's Noise app. Lumi is the first truly modular keyboard and is fully Blocks compatible. This means that you can build a larger keyboard or a custom setup and workflow with Roly Blocks. Support Roly's Kickstarter today and be one of the first to produce and perform with Lumi.